Hey guys, so I'm once again experimenting with fans in the kitchen. I put the Imperial K63 motor back up, but I did something I never thought I would try, which is I put the Jonas blades on it. So let's see how we like this. Not sold just yet, but you know, maybe I'll change my mind. Alexa, main floor fans low. Alexa, main floor fans medium. Alexa, main floor fans medium high. I will say so far I'm not sold, but it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. Alexa, main floor fans high. Seems like that one's wobbling more. I could be making it up. Alexa, main floor fans off. I have one other set of blades I want to try on here. Shaded pole stopped. Okay, that one's second. Thanks for watching. Bye, Fansticks.